Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Read it and delete it. Maybe I need some space.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. Beauty Forever be coming through with the come through. So once again, shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so the unit I am wearing is the Beauty Forever Balayage Highlight Lace Front Wig, Jerry Curly Human Hair Wig, Color Wig, 150% density. Now, this unit comes in a 13x4 lace front, and it only comes in 150% density. And beside the 150% density, they have on here a production time 10 to 20 days. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind, that it takes 10 to 20 days to produce this unit. Okay, so on here, the lengths that they have available is 14 to 24 inches. All of those being even numbers. And then I'm going to go ahead and go down here to the description. And they have on here Beauty Forever. The color is FB30. The length is 14 to 24 inches. The texture is Jerry Curly. Cap size average. And the rest is basically the standard stuff. And then it says slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline, glueless, baby hair around perimeter. So those are the details and specs that I have about this unit. Now, as far as it shedding and tangling, it did shed a little bit. So I kind of want to throw that out there just so you guys can know, like, we'll know about it. And you can't come later saying that I didn't let you know, because I let you know, sis. Okay, I let you know. So it does shed a little bit. As far as tangles, this unit is not tangly whatsoever. And it is really lightweight, despite, like, I feel like it looks a lot more full. Well, it looked a lot more full prior to me wearing it. But it is a really, really lightweight unit. So that is always a plus as well. As far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like, because I adjusted the straps, that this unit is a more medium to large head friendly. So just keep that in mind. Like, just keep that in your mind, sis. And yeah, that is basically it, like, for the unit. Now, if you're interested in a full 360, my thoughts on this unit as well as the length check, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with it. I am definitely feeling this unit. I think it's a really cute unit. You guys know I love this color. I've had this color in a different textured unit from Beauty Forever, and I just love this color. I just feel like it's a safe sort of brown colored unit. I know a lot of people are a little bit timid when it comes to colored units, and having units like this color makes the transition easier. You know, like the transition from just wearing strictly one color hair to just kind of delving into the color realm, okay? This sort of color makes it safe. Like, any 30s are really, really safe colors in my personal opinion. So yeah, I really love the color of this wig. I think it is gorgeous. I love the texture. You guys know I love a good Jerry curly wig. Like, yeah, that's just like my sort of swag. So yeah, I have no issues with this unit whatsoever. Now, as far as it being pre-tweezed, I do feel like they did pre-tweeze it some, but I do feel like it could stand some more. So just keep that in mind. That's just my opinion. Like, if you don't want to, you don't have to, because I didn't. But if you feel like it does need some more tweezing, then kind of do what you do, okay? But yeah, I'm feeling the wig. I think the unit is gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it the same way that I am. Comment down below and let me know. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 as well as a length check so we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling this wig. Let me know down below in the comments. I am really interested to know. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. On Help Me See on Snapchat, I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?